She studied the language during her pregnancy. When she gave birth to the child, she stayed on rented premises. Fell in love with that man who was only almost 30 years her senior. And then, without telling her parents, one day she ran off with this man to Europe.
Our sacrifice may be acceptable to God, the Almighty Father.
You feel that is the end of this world. Remember, the cross of Christ and Christ from the cross will never abandon you.
In a similar way, when supper was ended, he took the chalice, and once more giving thanks, he gave it to his disciples, saying, "Take this, all you, and drink. For this is the chalice of my blood, the blood of new and eternal covenant, which will be poured out for you and for many for the forgiveness of sins. Do this